Can I now call the Vice President membership to take on the induction program? Please, guests and members, this is a session which is very important. Though it looked like a parliamentary official session, but this is a session wherein we are inducting members to be Toastmasters. So they are not more going to be called with their names; they're called with the title as Toastmasters, because we are going to invite them into our family, into our club, as members who are aspiring communicators and leaders. So to conduct this wonderful program and the induction program, I'd now like to pass the baton across to the VP membership, Toastmaster Gangadhar Rao. Please take the virtual control right now.
Thank you, Mr. President. Okay. Before I start the induction program, I would like to, based on today's, I'm not supposed to give any speech, but I can't stop myself after listening to a few guests today, the way they introduced themselves and this thing, I would like to share one or two lines. Really, they showed the great aplomb in coming over their obstacles, whatever the obstacles they think stuttering is an obstacle. But I feel the many people who doesn't have any such obstacle but still worried about speaking, they are the real stutters who doesn't want to speak. That's my personal way of looking at it. Really, I have nothing to stop anyone saying we cannot speak after listening to those guests in the beginning. That was really very inspiring. And another important thing is that when I joined Toastmasters at this stage of life, or I would call a little late, I used to feel a little bad, but when I heard, when I heard today our guest speaker Najwa, after retirement, the way she is trying to come back to speaker, I am really inspired that we are just starting the life and people can be Toastmaster at any age. With that, today we would like to invite 3 new members to our club. So we need to follow this procedure just to induct the members and introduce their mentors. We will follow the procedure. With that, I would like to begin my induction procedure. Fellow Toastmasters, it's now our duty and privilege to induct 3 new members into the Bahrain IT Professional Toastmasters Club. This is an important occasion both for those new members and for our club. These individuals have come to Toastmasters seeking to improve their communication and leadership, and we now have an opportunity to help them learn, grow, and achieve. I will now call our new members. Come forward and ask them to join me at the lectern. Please withhold your applause until the ceremony is completed. Our first member, Toastmaster Mohammad Al-Sai. Can you please stand up, please, for the induction? Our next Toastmaster Mohammad Al-Haiki. Thank you. Toastmaster Najwa Ahmad. Okay. Now we have all our 3 Toastmasters.
My name is wrong. It's Najwa.
Sorry? Najwa. Yeah. Najwa. Yeah, Najwa Ahmad. Yeah, sorry for that. So with that, Toastmaster Mohammad Al-Sai, Toastmaster Mohammad Al-Haiki, Toastmaster Najwa. You are joining a worldwide organization that has helped more than 4 million people learn to communicate more effectively. As a member of the Bahrain IT Professional Toastmasters Club, you will benefit from a proven program of self-development. You will become part of an outstanding group of people who are dedicated to helping one another in a spirit of sharing and enjoyment. Mr. Vice President Education, have these new members have been given an opportunity to discuss their needs and goals with the club? Have they been told how Toastmaster program works and informed of the many benefits they will receive, as well as the obligations of membership.
We will, first of all, good evening, everybody. Good evening, fellow Toastmasters and guests. We will inform them after the meeting. This is the first time actually I meet them. This is their first meeting that they're joining us. So after the meeting, I will be passing all the information for them.
Okay. Thank you, VP. Who have been assigned as a mentors for these new members?
We will have myself, Ahmed Al-Balushi, and you, TM Gangadhar Rao, and TM Santosh. We will distribute them among the three new members, inshallah.
Okay. Thank you, Toastmaster Ahmed Al-Balushi. Now, would these Toastmasters please stand, the mentors, as an experienced Toastmasters? You have been asked to help these new members get off to a good start. Do you accept this responsibility and pledge to share your knowledge and experience with our new members so that they can immediately begin to benefit from their Toastmaster membership?
Yes, I do.
I do.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you. Membership in this club in Toastmasters International is a privilege that carries with it many rewards. Yes, it is also places certain obligations to you. We are a group of people brought together to do things we could not accomplish alone. Our collective obligation is to grow and improve ourselves and to share our knowledge and experience with fellow members in a spirit of enjoyment. This means you must work diligently towards your own self-development, evaluate other speeches in a spirit of support and sharing, assist the club in reaching its goals, remain positive, and keep smile on your face. We ask you, our new members, to dedicate yourself to personal growth, to share this great gift with your fellow members, and to help keep this Toastmasters club strong and dynamic. Please, all the three new members, please face your fellow members. Please stand up and affirm your membership by repeating the following words. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So I'll just repeat the pledge. Can you please repeat after me? I. Please say your names. Yeah.
Muhammad Al-Sai.
Okay. In the presence of.
In the presence
of
my fellow members.
my fellow
members
Of the BITP Toastmasters Club.
of the BIT Toastmasters Club.
Make this firm obligation.
Make this form obligation.
To attend meetings regularly.
To attend meetings regularly.
And prepare fully.
And prepare fully.
For each assignment.
For each assignment.
To apply myself.
To apply myself.
To the projects. Outlined in the Toastmasters education program.
Outlined in the Toastmaster application program.
To participate actively.
To participate actively.
In club activities.
In club activities.
To evaluate others.
To evaluate others.
In a positive. Constructive manner. To build open. Friendly relationships. With my fellow members. And to bring. Other new members. Into the club. So that. They can also gain. The benefits of Toastmasters. Thank you. Would all the club members please stand and repeat your club pledge to its new members? Thank you. We, the members of the BITP Toastmasters Club,
BITP
pledge to support
pledge to support
you in your quest
you in your
for self-development,
development,
to provide you with positive,
to provide you with positive,
helpful evaluations,
helpful evaluations,
to maintain a friendly, supportive atmosphere, to give you opportunities
to give you opportunity,
to help others,
to help others,
and to make your Toastmaster membership a rewarding and fulfilling experience.
and
fulfilling experience.
Thank you, everyone. With that, I would like to welcome the three new members, the Toastmasters to BITP Toastmasters Club. Thank you, and back to you, Mr. President.
Thank you so much, Toastmasters.